You grabbed a bottle of orange juice this morning, and the label said 100% natural. You felt good about that choice, healthy, smart, responsible. But what if that juice, the one marketed as pure, fresh, and natural, is doing something very different inside your body? What if the fruit juice industry has been telling you a half-truth for decades? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will never look at a juice bottle the same way again. Let's start with something most people never question. What does 100% natural actually mean on a juice label? Legally, the FDA does not have an official definition for the word natural on food products. That means companies can use that word without any strict scientific standard backing it up. Now here's where it gets interesting, and a little bit disturbing. Most commercial orange juice, even the not-from-concentrate kind, goes through a process that strips out nearly all of its natural flavor. The juice is stored in massive million-gallon tanks, sometimes for up to a year, with the oxygen removed to prevent spoilage. But here's the problem. Removing the oxygen also removes the natural aroma compounds that give orange juice its fresh taste. So what do manufacturers do? They add something called a flavor pack to restore that fresh orange taste. And technically, these flavor packs are still made from orange byproducts, orange peels, orange oil, so they can still legally call it 100% orange juice. But here's what they don't tell you. These flavor packs are engineered by fragrance companies, the same companies that make your perfume. Givaudan, Firmenich, International Flavors and Fragrances. These are the companies behind both your cologne and your morning juice. Now that's the manufacturing secret. But what is juice actually doing inside your body? Let's track exactly what happens in your body, starting the moment juice hits your tongue. Within seconds, your salivary glands flood your mouth with amylase, an enzyme that begins breaking down sugar immediately. Here's the critical difference between eating a whole orange and drinking its juice: fiber. A whole orange has 3 grams of fiber. That fiber slows sugar absorption, controls your blood sugar spike, and keeps you full. A glass of juice, almost 0 fiber, and sometimes more sugar than a can of Coca-Cola. Let that sink in. The drink your parents thought was the healthiest morning choice may spike your blood sugar faster than soda. This is what scientists call a high glycemic load, and it has real consequences for your body over time. Now let's go deeper. Let's look at what happens to your body over 24 hours of drinking juice daily. Within the first 30 minutes of drinking juice, your blood glucose spikes rapidly. Your pancreas immediately signals your beta cells to release insulin, a fat storage hormone. Insulin tells your body to store excess sugar as fat, particularly around your midsection. By hour 2, your blood sugar crashes, and you feel hungry again, even though you just consumed hundreds of calories. By hour 2, your blood sugar crashes, and you feel hungry again, even though you just consumed hundreds of calories. This blood sugar roller coaster, spike then crash, is one of the most dangerous metabolic patterns you can repeat daily. Now let's jump to 7 days of drinking 1 glass of juice every morning. Research shows that just 1 week of high fructose intake can begin to alter your liver's fat metabolism. Your liver processes fructose differently from glucose. It can't release it slowly into the bloodstream. Fructose is essentially a direct ticket to your liver, where it's converted into fat if consumed in excess. By day 7, some people also begin experiencing increased inflammation markers in their blood. That puffiness around your face, the bloating, the mid-morning energy crash, that might be your body speaking. Now let's get to the 14-day mark. 2 weeks of your morning juice ritual. At 2 weeks, studies on high-sugar beverage consumption show measurable increases in triglyceride levels. Triglycerides are blood fats linked to heart disease, stroke, and metabolic syndrome. Your body was never designed to process liquid sugar at this speed and volume. Your gut also starts to feel the effects. The natural microbiome in your intestines is sensitive to sugar overload. Sugar feeds harmful gut bacteria, reduce the fiber, increase the processed sugar, and you're essentially fertilizing the wrong garden. Now we arrive at 30 days. 1 full month of daily fruit juice. Here's what the research actually shows. A 2015 study published in the journal Nutrients found that daily fruit juice consumption was associated with increased waist circumference over time. Another Harvard study tracked over 100,000 adults and found that increasing fruit juice intake was linked to higher risk of type 2 diabetes. This doesn't mean juice gives you diabetes instantly, but daily high-volume consumption creates the conditions for insulin resistance over time. Insulin resistance is the precursor to prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome, one of the leading health crises in America today. But hold on. Before we go any further, let's address what juice actually does contain that is good for you. Orange juice is genuinely high in vitamin C. One 8-ounce glass provides nearly 100% of your daily recommended intake. It also contains potassium, critical for heart rhythm, muscle function, and blood pressure regulation. And it contains natural plant compounds called flavonoids, specifically hesperidin, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. So juice is not poison, but it's also not what you've been told it is. Now let's bust the biggest myths about fruit juice that millions of Americans still believe. Myth number 1. Fruit juice is just liquid fruit. Fact. Juice and whole fruit are metabolically completely different products. The fiber, the cell walls, the chewing process, they all change how your body responds to the sugar. Myth number 2. Fresh squeezed is always better than store-bought. Fact. Fresh squeezed juice can still spike your blood sugar just as fast. The sugar content is nearly identical. The only real advantage is the absence of industrial processing. Myth number 3. Kids should drink juice every day for vitamins. Fact. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends no juice for children under 1 year and strictly limits it for older children. Whole fruit is always preferred. Myth number 4. If it says no added sugar, it's healthy. Fact. No added sugar simply means no extra sugar was added to the naturally occurring sugar already in the juice. The fructose content can still be dangerously high. Now let's talk about what the smartest approach actually is, because this isn't about eliminating juice forever. Strategy 1. If you drink juice, treat it like a condiment, not a beverage. 4 ounces maximum, not 16. Strategy 2. Always pair juice with protein or fat, eggs, nuts, Greek yogurt. This slows sugar absorption dramatically. Strategy 3. Eat the fruit, drink the water. A whole orange with a glass of water gives you everything juice gives you, plus fiber, plus satiety, minus the spike. Strategy 4. If you want real vitamins from fruit, make a smoothie with the whole fruit. Blending keeps the fiber. Juicing destroys it. Strategy 5. Read the label beyond just the calories. Look at total sugars per serving, the serving size stated, and whether any fiber remains. Your body is extraordinarily intelligent. It was built to process whole foods, not engineered liquids stripped of what made them valuable in the first place. The food industry spent billions making you believe that juice is a health food. But the science tells a more complicated and more honest story. So here is the final honest verdict on fruit juice. Fruit juice in small quantities is not dangerous for most healthy adults. But it was never the health food it was marketed as. The fiber removal is real. The flavor pack engineering is real. The blood sugar spike is real. And the long-term metabolic consequences of daily high consumption are real. But the solution isn't fear. The solution is information. And now you have it. Eat your fruit. Drink your water. And if you love juice, have a small glass and enjoy every sip without guilt. Just know what you're actually drinking. If this video changed how you think about what's on your breakfast table, share it with someone who still grabs that bottle every morning thinking they're doing their body a favor. Because real health starts with real knowledge. And real knowledge starts with asking the right questions about what's actually in your glass.